Hello, this is Lila the Ladybug. Lila is red and has black spots. But she was not always a ladybug. Let's see how she grows. Lila started as a tiny egg. The eggs are small and yellow. They are safe on the leaf. Pop, the egg breaks. Lila is now a larva. The larva is small and hungry. She eats tiny insects and grows bigger. Lila is big now. She stops eating. She makes a pupa. Inside, she is changing. Look, the pupa opens. Lila is now a ladybug. She has red wings and black spots. She can fly. Let's remember: egg, larva, pupa, ladybug. Lila is happy. She flies over the flowers. And now, let's sing together for Lila the Ladybug.
On a green leaf, safe and bright, a tiny egg sleeps through the night. The sun shines warm, the breeze is slow. Soon a little bug will grow. Up it hatches, small and thin, wiggling legs, a brand new skin. Lila eats and grows so fast, getting bigger at last. Lila stops and makes a shell, a golden home where she will dwell. Inside she changes day and night, getting ready for her flight. The shell now cracks and out she goes. Red and shiny black spots show. Lila spreads her wings so wide, up she flies with joy and pride.
Egg to larva, then pupa too. Ladybug flies bright and new, buzzing over flowers high, dancing freely in the sky.
Lila stops and makes a shell, a golden home where she will dwell. Inside she changes day and night, getting ready for her flight. The shell now cracks and out she goes. The red and shiny black spots show. Lila spreads her wings so wide, up she flies with joy and pride. Egg to larva, then pupa too. Ladybug flies bright and new, buzzing over flowers high, dancing freely in the sky.